Ever thought about building your own eco-friendly garden? A space that not only brings you joy but also helps the planet? Sustainable gardening is a fantastic way to reduce reliance on non-renewable resources, promote biodiversity, and contribute to our planet's health. Well, you're in the right place. We're here to guide you in creating your very own sustainable garden. The first step in creating an eco-friendly garden is planning. Consider your garden's location and size, and the plants that will thrive there. It's essential to choose native plants suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Remember, a well-planned garden reduces the need for extra resources like water and fertilizers. Now that you've planned your space, it's time to prepare the soil. Enrich your garden bed with organic matter like compost or aged manure. This creates a nutrient-rich environment, the foundation of a sustainable garden. With a rich and fertile soil, your plants will thrive and you'll have less need for chemical fertilizers. Water is a precious resource, and sustainable gardening means using it wisely. Harness nature's generosity with a rain barrel, keep moisture in with mulch, and quench your plant's thirst during the cool morning hours. By implementing these water-saving techniques, you'll create a garden that's not only beautiful, but also eco-friendly. Finally, let's talk about pests. They can be a nuisance, but there are eco-friendly ways to deal with them. Introduce beneficial insects, use homemade sprays, even plant pest-resistant varieties. By choosing these natural methods, you'll maintain the balance in your garden without harming the environment. And there you have it. These are the basic steps to creating your own eco-friendly garden. With planning, soil preparation, water conservation, and natural pest control, you'll cultivate a green oasis benefiting you and our planet. So why not give it a try? Start your sustainable gardening journey today, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly tips.